What if your next night out was already paid for before you even went? Not from your paycheck, but from money that's earning more money for you. That's how passive income actually works. Most people think it's about covering bills. But what if your money paid for the parts of your life you actually enjoy? Let's make this real. A typical night out, dinner, drinks, maybe a movie? Call it around $100. So what if you could keep your paycheck and still pay for that? This is where investing comes in. And it's simpler than most people think. You don't need to pick stocks or constantly manage anything. You set up automatic investments into broad, low-cost funds that track the market or generate income. Then you let time do the work. Now here's the shift. This isn't about cutting your life. It's about redirecting money before you spend it, so it starts working for you first. At first it's small, but then you see it. Your money generating income, even if it's just a little. Even $5. Tens. It counts. And it counts even more when you do it consistently. And that's when everything changes. Because now it's not just your effort creating your life, it's your money too. Those investments grow. And over time, they produce more and more income. Eventually that becomes income that covers your night out, without you even thinking about it. Not overnight. But once it starts, it compounds. Because now your money is working with you. And that's the shift. Not just more income, but a life your money can actually support. This is how it starts. One night out, then another, then bigger parts of your life. Follow along. Next, we'll make this bigger.